This is Shankar sir. Welcome to my channel Natural Biology. In my previous class, I have discussed about the structure of vacuole and mitochondria. In this class, I am going to discuss about the structure of ribosomes and also plastids, chloroplast. So let us discuss about ribosomes. These ribosomes are granule-like cell organelles. Okay, so these are the small granular-like cell organelles. Small granule like so these are small granule like cell organelles. It was first discovered by G. Plastids in the year 1953. Okay, so G. Plastids discovered the ribosomes for the first time in the year 1953. George Plastids. Okay, these ribosomes are composed of RNA. Their structure is made up of RNA and also proteins. Okay, so this ribosome structure is made up of RNA and a protein. Let us see the 3D, three-dimension picture of the ribosomes. You can see the beautiful picture video of the ribosomes. So how it is beautiful, okay? It is having a large unit and there is a small unit. In between there is a specific protein is present. So their size of the ribosomes is measured in the form of a unit that is called sedimentation coefficient. So ribosomes are two types, okay? Types of ribosomes. There are two types of ribosomes, 70S and 80S. This S stands for sedimentation coefficient. It is a measuring unit. Okay, so right. And these ribosomes may be free ribosomes because they are present freely in the cytoplasm, or maybe attached ribosomes. They are attached on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Hence, the endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. So, based on their location, again there are two types: free ribosomes scattered in the cytoplasm and attached ribosomes present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Let us talk about the function of these ribosomes. These ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. Hence, these are called protein factories. Protein factories. Which cell organelles are also known as protein factories? Ribosomes are also known as protein factories. Can we see here any membrane? There is no membrane. Membraneless cell organelles. This point is very important for all the competitive examination. Which among the cell organelles are without membrane? Okay, so that are ribosomes. Membrane absent. Okay. Membraneless cell organelles are called ribosomes. So this is about the structure and functions of ribosomes. Once we recapitulate, these ribosomes are small granular-like cell organelles present in the cytoplasm and also on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It was first discovered by George Plastids in the year 1953. They are two types. Okay, 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes. Okay, S stands for sedimentation coefficient, and also they are made up of composed of RNA and a protein. A protein and RNA both together make these ribosomes. Their function, they involve in protein synthesis, hence they are called protein factories. Let us discuss about one more important cell organelle, that are plastids. The term plastids was given by a scientist. His name is Ernest Haeckel. These plastids are special cell organelles, mostly green color cell organelles. Okay, mostly, not all are green in color. So found in specially plant cells. They are present in all plant cells and also euglenids. Plastids are present in almost all plant cells and also in euglenids. Like plastids are categorized into three types. Okay, as per our book, plastids are three types. Okay, so one is chromoplast. Okay, chroma means colored plastids. Okay, so they may be pheoplast. Pheoplast may be yellow in color. Okay, yellow to yellow orange. Rhodoplast. So these are red color plastids and also carotenoids. So these carotenoids may be orange in color. So these are different colored plastids. Not only this, there are number of plastids, chromoplasts are present. Okay, so that varies in different types of plants. Come to one more type of plastids, that are chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, it is exclusively green color plastid. Which color plastid? Green color plastid. So because of presence of a pigment, that is called chlorophyll. Okay, so because of presence of a green color pigment, chlorophyll, so they are green in color, they are called chloroplast. So most of the plastids are green in color. Okay, hence it is given a special category. Come to one more type of plastids are leucoplast. Okay, so leucoplast, these are called colorless plastids. So these colorless plastids also categorized into three types: amyloplast, ilioplast and alluroplast. Amyloplasts are starch storing plastids which are going to store the starch material, and ilioplast, they stores the oil materials. Okay, oil storing plastids. And alluroplast, they are protein storing plastids. They store the starch, they store the oil like lipids, and they store the proteins. So this is the classification of plastids. Once we recapitulate, plastids are categorized into three types: chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Chromoplasts are different colored plastids and chloroplasts are exclusively green color plastids. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. Again, leucoplasts are categorized into amyloplast, starch storage, ilioplast, oil storage, whereas alluroplast, protein storage. In our textbook, the structure of chloroplast is given. Let us discuss about this chloroplast. Where these chloroplasts are present? If you see, this is a leaf. Outermost layer is a cuticle and innermost layer also cuticle. And then maybe one more layer called epidermis. Upper epidermis, lower epidermis. So between these, what is the space present? Okay, if you remove the outermost layer, inner layer, the total space of the leaf is called mesophyll. Okay, so in mesophyll, different types of tissues are present. So in each cell, these chloroplasts are present. So they may be in different shapes like oval shape or spherical shape. But in algae, so they shows variations in their shape. So in algae cells, they may be ladder-like, star-like, ribbon-like. So in different shapes, these are present. If you see, the diameter of this chloroplast nearly about 4 to 10 microns, 4 to 10 micrometers in diameter. If we talk about the number of chloroplasts, generally in algae cells, there are 20 to 40 chloroplasts are present. But in mature plant cell, so their number may be 50 to 200. Okay, so which can carry out more photosynthesis, more number of chloroplasts are present. And also upper surface of the leaf, more number of chloroplasts are present when compared to lower surface. So that is their number. If we talk about their structure, so structure of chloroplast, this chloroplast is a structure mostly it is made up of two membranes. We can see here outer membrane, inner membrane, and there is centrally one more membrane present which forms a stalk-like structure, branching-like structures. So these stalk-like structures are called thylakoids. Okay, so thylakoids. So we can see these type of branching-like structures. So these stalk-like structures are called thylakoids. If these thylakoids present in the stroma nothing but it is a matrix space. Okay, the fluid-filled space is called stroma. If thylakoids present in the stroma, they are called stroma thylakoids. If thylakoids form a pile, it is like a bunch. So this is the region we can see. These all are thylakoid membranes. A group of thylakoid membranes. So such group of thylakoid membranes is known as grana. Okay. So in grana, in this membrane, chlorophyll is present. A pigment which is called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is not present in the stroma. Remember that. Chlorophyll only present in these thylakoid membranes. Okay, grana thylakoids, stroma thylakoids, chlorophyll is present. Hence, in grana, light reactions of photosynthesis takes place. Whereas in stroma, light independent reactions of photosynthesis takes place. What are these light reactions? Light independent reactions we will learn in higher classes. So, stalk-like structures are called thylakoids. If these stalks are present in the stroma, then this region is called stroma thylakoid. If it is present, it is going to make a grana, then it is called grana thylakoid. For example, this is a grana. Okay, these are all thylakoid membrane. In grana, there is a space. This space is called the lumen. What is this place? Lumen. So lumen is the space in the grana. Okay. So this is about the structure of the chloroplast. Okay. Let us discuss about the function of this chloroplast. Chloroplast carry out photosynthesis. So this is the major event which takes place in the chloroplast. We know that all green color plants carry out photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? It is a biochemical process in which plants prepare their own food materials by capturing light energy. So who is going to capture the light energy? This chlorophyll which is present in the chloroplast. Hence, chloroplast involves in photosynthesis. So that is the main function of the chloroplast. So this is about the structure, discovery and functions of the chloroplast. 5 important points from these both topics. Point number 1. Which among the cell organelle is also known as protein factories? Answer is ribosomes. Point number 2. Which cell organelle is a membraneless cell organelle? That is ribosome. Ribosomes do not have any membrane. They are called membraneless cell organelles. Point number 3. Who discovered these ribosomes? George Pellade in the year 1953 discovered the ribosomes. Point number 4. Which among the following is a semi-autonomous organelle? Chloroplast is also a semi-autonomous organelle because it contains its own DNA. Okay. So in my last class I have told that mitochondria contain its own DNA. Along with this chloroplast also contain its own DNA. Hence it is also known as semi-autonomous organelle. Semi-autonomous organelle. Point number 5. Which among the following cell organelle carry out photosynthesis? That is about chloroplast. So these are the 5 important points from this topic. Next class, very important, because I will give all the list of cell organelles and their functions, and also which are having single membrane, which are having double membrane, and which are membraneless cell organelle, and also one more important small topic, that is cell theory. So we will discuss in the next class. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this class, do subscribe, share, comment, like and support my channel. Thank you once again.